Hey, what's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest and I'm here yet again with another video with an awesome gadget. This is from SEENDA. This is the wireless keyboard and mouse combi with the optical mouse and the keyboard. The mouse has got the wireless dongle and keyboard as well, which is one single dongle to connect to both the devices. We can also use the Bluetooth connection to connect the mouse, and it's got several connections. So this one single keyboard can connect to 3 different devices via the additional Bluetooth connectivity. So without any further ado, let's quickly have a look around the box. Here's the branding, SEENDA or SEENDA, however they want to call it. And at the back, this is the kind of UK representation, serial number and so on, and quite a few certifications as well, made in China. So really nothing much mentioned on the box other than the branding and the serial number. So let's quickly open it up and see what we have inside. Before we continue, would you mind subscribing to this channel? We've been doing lots of work, engaging with lots of brands and bringing you the best of everything that's available in the market. We cannot otherwise without your support. We need your support to continue to engage with brands and bring the latest and greatest in tech. Additionally, why we ask for your support is because we specifically ask for discounts for our viewers, and they will all be exclusive discounts through MyNextBest. So all we ask is to continue to support the channel. This family needs to grow bigger, so we are stronger, better together. So we work with the brands to bring bigger and better discounts for you guys. Thank you so much if you've subscribed. Let's continue. Nice and simple. You've got one nice cover, which is kind of a stretchable rubber, which is kind of a good addition to have. Let's quickly keep it onto the side. And here's the keyboard, which has nice and clicky feel to all these buttons. Let me take this out of the package. And keep the package away. Okay, so here's the keyboard. Let's keep it on the side. What else do we have? We've got this user manual, which talks about the 2.4 Bluetooth plus Bluetooth keyboard and mouse combo. And it says you've got this dongle here, which can be used to connect to... Oh, okay, so let's quickly have a look. At the back, there is no dongles here, which means there's one dongle that will be used to connect to the mouse as well as keyboard, and then you also have the Bluetooth connections and things which can be used as well. So this is the mouse, nice and simple. That's what it gets to. This is kind of the DPI button. Basically, you can switch to 2 different Bluetooth connections with this, as well as the wireless dongle, which you'd connect to your specific device. On-off button, and it's also rechargeable, so it doesn't need any additional batteries, etc. It's got this Type-C port, as well as this keyboard. That's a Type-C port. As soon as it gets discharged, you just put them on a charge, and they're all ready to use. It doesn't have enough weight to it, so it might sort of affect the way you hold your mouse, because you normally sort of used to something like this Dell, which has kind of a rounded feel to it, and it's also quite clicky, versus this one, which is quite flat and it's also quite thin, but the features kind of outweigh what this kind of ergonomic design is. I think you can still use some adapters and things to make it more ergonomic for yourself, but you've got connection to 3 specific Bluetooth connections, which is like awesome in itself, so you could use that. Yeah, so that's the mouse. And what else do we have? We've got the Type-C port, nice and simple, nothing else in the box. It's all empty, so I'll just get the box out of the way. So here's the keyboard, nice and thick, quite heavy. I think there's all these batteries in here, and the buttons have quite a nice feel to it. Yeah, I can use this keyboard, I mean the way it's kind of laid down, which is very useful in various scenarios, and the buttons are quite tactile. I should be able to use this keyboard for longer hours, and the additional advantage is that wherever you've connected the dongle, it would be connected to the mouse as well, so you can use the 2 together. Yeah, other than that, there's really nothing much to it. 3 Bluetooth connections, so as soon as you turn this on, the on-off button is right here. Turn this on, it's all ready to go. Click this function button and you can toggle between different Bluetooth connections. As you can see, I'm able to toggle. So that's kind of the function button that sort of allows you to sort of toggle between different connections. And when you turn this guy on and you can press this button, this would take you to Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2 and the wireless dongle. So yeah, all in one, which is great, which is awesome to sort of control 3 devices. And we are normally used to many devices than one specific desktop in this kind of age and environment where you've got tabs, and even the phone can be controlled via the keyboard and the mouse. If you've got any questions or any specific recommendations, suggestions, etc., please feel free to reach out to us on our channel. Like the video, share this video and subscribe to MyNextBest. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye.